Hello, in front of me I've got 70mai Dashcam M500. In this video I'll show you how to attach it to front windshield. In the beginning, let's prepare this plastic sticker. And as you can see right here, we've got the tutorial how to install it on your front windshield. Firstly, deeply clean the front windshield and degrease it. Now, pull this second sticker, so we'll have available the part with glue. Glue this to your front windshield, below the rear view mirror. Now, detach it from charging, connect it like this, and now you have to remove this second plastic cover and then glue the camera to sticker like this, so it will fit this frame. Now you can adjust the angle by simply twisting this part. And that's basically it. In the end, remember to connect it to charging. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.